Hello, dear students. Welcome back to our new channel. Students, today we will dive into a topic that links history, environment, science, and public health. It's something about that happened nearly 40 years ago, but still affects us today. The Bhopal gas tragedy. More importantly, we'll discuss that the efforts being made to dispose of the hazardous waste left behind and the challenges surrounding it. So stay with me as we explore this important story. Now, to understand why we are talking about hazardous waste in Bhopal today, let's go back to the night of December 2 and 3 in 1984. On this tragic night, what happened? A pesticide factory owned by Union Carbide leaked a deadly gas called methyl isocyanate. It leaked a deadly gas. इस गैस का नाम क्या था? मिथाइल isocyanate. And this toxic gas killed over 4,000 people. All right? तो अराउंड 4,000 जो लोग थे उनकी डेथ हो गई थी इस गैस के लीकेज की वजह से जो एयर में हुआ था. And this disaster is known as the Bhopal gas tragedy. So, fast forward to today, nearly 40 years later, and the site of that factory still holds 358 tons of hazardous waste. So, this waste contains chemicals used to make fertilizers and pesticides. And it has been lying there untreated despite several court orders and protests from citizens. तो citizens ने भी इतना protest किया, court orders हैं कि भाई कि जो hazardous waste है उसको treat किया जाए. Untreated वहां पे lie कर रहा है, वहां इतने साल से है. So despite several court orders and even people of Bhopal they have protested, but still authorities didn't take heed कि इसको properly dispose करें. Now the question is, why is this waste such a big problem? Well, because it is a toxic. It is a toxic waste and it can harm the environment and people if not handled properly. Now, students, let's talk about the waste. See, waste ये है क्या? अब इस waste में क्या क्या चीजें हैं? It includes semi-processed residue. It includes semi-processed residue, chemicals like naphthol and carbaryl, and other dangerous substances. So over the years, this waste has been sitting at the factory site in Bhopal and it is affecting the local environment. The government of Madhya Pradesh finally decided to transport the waste to a facility in Pitampur, which is more than uh, 200 kilometer away. So Pitampur is more than 200 kilometers away. And this facility has special equipment to incinerate or meaning that it to burn the waste and dispose of the ashes in a landfill. But this plan isn't as simple as it sounds. Because the reason being is that transporting hazardous waste and burning it can release harmful chemicals into the air. That's why people living near the Pitampur facility are protesting. They fear the incineration process will harm their health and the environment. तो अभी भी जो जो वेस्ट है जो वहां पे इतने सालों से पड़ा हुआ है, अगर उसको ले जाके जलाया जाएगा उसमें से टॉक्सिक गैसेस निकलेंगी. तो वहां के जहां पे जलाया जाएगा पीतमपुर जो जगह है वहां के लोग ये इस बात को लेके काफी ज्यादा परेशान हैं कि इससे एनवायरनमेंट भी हार्म होगा और लोगों को भी नुकसान होगा. Now you might be wondering why Pitampur? Why move the waste 200 kilometers away from Bhopal? The answer lies in 2012 Supreme Court decision. The court chose the Pitampur Treatment Storage and Disposal Facility, or simply TSTF, because it is the only site in Madhya Pradesh equipped to handle such hazardous waste. And the waste has both an incinerator to burn the waste and a landfill to store the residue safely. In 2015, government even conducted a trial run at Pitampur, burning 10.1 tons of waste. So, experts from cities like Chennai and Hyderabad monitored the process, and authorities reported that emissions were within the safe limits. But local residents are still skeptical. They worry about pollution, water contamination, and long term health effects. Now, the question is the waste safe to incinerate? Matlab, is it safe to burn? So, what experts are saying, they are saying that burning hazardous waste at extremely high temperature, like above 1200 degrees Celsius, can destroy harmful organic compounds like naphthol. But even then, there's a risk of emissions exceeding safe limits. During the 2015 trial, scientists tested nearby water samples and they found that some open wells had higher levels of harmful substances like fluoride and dissolved solids. तो जब उन्होंने ये ट्रायल किया था उसके बाद उन्होंने आसपास के वाटर बॉडीज पे चेक किया था कि कितना ज्यादा उसमें जो वेस्ट है अफेक्ट उसका कितना हुआ है। तो उन्होंने ये देखा कि ओपन वेल में जो फ्लोराइड एंड डिजॉल्व सॉलिड्स की लेवल है वो बहुत ज्यादा बढ़ी हुई है। The government claims that these issues were unrelated to the generation process, but local residents aren't convinced. They fear that burning the waste could harm their health and pollute their water and air. So these concerns have led to protests, including attempts at self-immolation by citizens. Even आप imagine कर सकते हो कि how much situation is serious. कि citizens they have attempted at self-immolation, right? तो इसी चीज़ों को लेके ये जो प्रोसेस है पूरा जो डिसीजन है इसमें डिले हो रहा है। नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, गवर्नमेंट के एफर्ट्स क्या क्या है और उसमें चैलेंजेस क्या क्या है। सी ये जो कंसर्न्स है इनको एड्रेस करने के लिए मध्य प्रदेश गवर्नमेंट ने फिलहाल में इंसिनरेशन जो प्रोसेस है उस पे उसको पॉज कर दिया है because officials they are focusing the public and they want to build the trust. They are training master trainers. What they are doing, they are training master trainers को वो ट्रेनिंग दे रहे हैं which include teachers, scientists, and they have the duty to explain the safety measures and disposal process to local communities. तो मास्टर ट्रेनर ये ट्रेनिंग दी जा रही है कि उनका काम होगा कि जनता को अवेयर करना, बताना कि डिस्पोजल से कैसे किया जाएगा, उससे क्या क्या फायदे होंगे। तो ये सारी चीज़ें गवर्नमेंट स्टार्ट कर रही है। Government has also planned a smaller trial run to ensure safety. And this time, they will incinerate just 90 kilograms of waste at 1200 degrees Celsius. So, if the emissions are within safe limits, they will proceed to burn the rest of the waste in small batches over 3 months. But if the emissions exceed the limit, what they will do, they will reduce the batch size and extend the timeline. Now, students, let's take a step back and look at the bigger picture. The Bhopal waste issue is not just about one city or one incident, it highlights the challenges of handling hazardous waste worldwide. And according to the US Environmental Protection Agency, landfills that store hazardous waste need regular maintenance because their protective liners degrade over time. And this can lead to leaks and contamination. And in Pitampur also, experts worry about the leakage, meaning the liquid that seep from landfills and which can pollute groundwater. So they are worried about the whole situation. And Bhopal issue also raises questions about corporate responsibility. Union Carbide, the company responsible for the disaster, has long since shut down, and the Indian government has been left to deal with the aftermath. कि वो तो कंपनी तो बंद हो गई, लेकिन उसकी वजह से जो नुकसान हुआ है, लोगों को इतना ज़्यादा परेशानी झेलनी पड़ रही है अभी भी, उससे गवर्नमेंट डील कर रही है. सो दिस केस इज अ रिमाइंडर ऑफ द इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ स्ट्रिक्ट एनवायरमेंटल लॉस एंड अकाउंटेबिलिटी. आप जब इस पूरे इंसिडेंट के बारे में पढ़ोगे, भोपाल गैस स्ट्राइक के बारे में, आपको पता चलेगा कि कितना ज़्यादा कंपनी थी, वो जो रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशन थे, उसके उसके बिल्कुल भी कंप्लाइंट नहीं थी. जितना भी रूल्स सेट किए को लेकर इम्पोर्टेंट होता है कि उस रूल फॉलो किया. और अगर कोई जैसे यूनियन कार्बाइड फॉलो नहीं करती है, तो उसकी वजह से सब परेशानी झेलनी पड़ सकती है. राइट स्टूडेंट्स? तो अब अ, बात करते हैं व्हाट्स नेक्स्ट. से मध्य प्रदेश हाई कोर्ट हैज गिवन द गवर्नमेंट 6 weeks टू सेफली डिस्पोज द वेस्ट. मध्य प्रदेश गवर्नमेंट ने क्या कहा है? 6 weeks दिए हैं ताकि जो वेस्ट है उसको सेफली डिस्पोज किया जाए. एंड द नेक्स्ट हियरिंग इज शेड्यूल्ड फॉर February 18. Meanwhile, officials are working to win public trust and ensure that the disposal process is as safe as possible. मतलब कि पॉसिबल हो कि वो सेफ रहे. सो इफ द स्मॉलर ट्रायल रन is successful, the government plans to incinerate the remaining waste in batches. But this process will take time, possibly up to 9 months. And even after the waste is incinerated, the residue will need to be safely stored in a landfill. So, in conclusion, the Bhopal waste issue is a complex problem that combines science, public health, and environmental protection. And it reminds us of the lasting impact of industrial disasters and the importance of responsible waste management. So, as students, you can contribute by staying informed and spreading awareness. Environmental issues like this affects us all, and it's our responsibility to work toward a cleaner, safer future. Thank you for listening, and I hope this story inspires you to think critically about the world around you. Let's continue to learn and make a difference. Bye bye.